Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to organize or combine information across different spreadsheets, today's tutorial is going to help you out. We're talking all about how to move data from one sheet to another in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know two simple yet powerful ways to transfer your data quickly, whether you're managing budgets, tracking inventory, or just sharing info with colleagues. So let's dive right in. Sometimes you need to move a bunch of data, maybe last month's numbers, a list of team tasks, or some survey results from one sheet to another. The quickest and most straightforward way to do this is by simply selecting all your data, then copying and pasting it over to the new sheet. Here, how you do it, just click and drag to highlight the data range you want to move in your first sheet. This could be anything from a single column to an entire table, whatever you need. Once it's all selected, right-click and choose Copy. Or you can hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're using a PC or Command+C on a Mac. Now jump over to the other sheet where you want this data to live. Click on the cell where you want the top left corner of your data to appear, right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V or Command+V. And that's it, your data is now in the new sheet. This method is great for quick transfers, and it's perfect if you just want to duplicate some information or move pieces of a report around. Just keep in mind that copy-pasting is a one-time action, so if your original data changes, the pasted version won't update along with it. Now, what if you want your data to stay synced between sheets? Maybe you're working with live data that updates regularly, like a sales tracker or a class attendance record. This is where formulas can really help, especially the IMPORTRNG function in Google Sheets. Here, how you use it. First, head over to the new sheet where you want the data to appear. Click into the cell where you want the data to start coming in. Then type this formula, equals IMPORTRNG, open parenthesis. In quotes, paste the URL link from the first sheet, the one you're pulling data from, add a comma, then in quotes again, type the exact sheet name, followed by an exclamation point and the specific range you want to grab. For example, sheet 1 E9 J17, then close the parentheses. So your whole formula should look like this, equals IMPORTRange, paste URL here, sheet 1 E9 J17. Once you hit enter, Google Sheets might ask for permission to access the other sheet. Don't worry, just click Allow Access, and after a second or two, your selected data will appear right where you wanted it. This formula is fantastic because now if anything changes in the source data, like you update a number or add a new value, it automatically updates in your destination sheet too. No more manual copying. A little heads up, double-check the sheet name and the range because spelling mistakes or missing exclamation marks can trip you up. And if your sheets are in the same document, you actually don't need the URL, just use the sheet name and range. So those are two super useful ways to move data between sheets in Google Sheets. Regular copy-pasting for one-time moves, and the IMPORTRNG formula for automatic syncing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to drop a comment if you have questions or want to share your own tips. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.